There is no right for you to be here.
Okay, Karen.
She is still by my car.
Okay, they still have your tag.
I don't care, girl. I gotta go.
Here we go. Right here.
All right, so we got Dougie, Deborah over here. Hello, so we have Dougie, Deborah over here. She called the cops on me because I'm window down.
Okay, I'm Officer Allen with the City of Hiram. That is why I'm out here, ma'am. I'm just here to figure out what's going on, that's all.
Dougie, Deborah called the cops.
Okay. Is your dog okay? How long were you inside for?
I've been here 10 minutes, and he's been panting ever since.
We'll take it from here, ma'am. You're free.
I'm sorry?
We'll take it from here. If you want to go talk to that other officer over there, you may do so.
Bye. Dougie,
Yeah.
I don't
Deborah.
know why you think it's...
Bye, girl.
I'm not a
Bye,
girl.
Ma'am,
girl.
over here.
Bye, girl. Oh, so some security.
Hey, so I guess you showed up, you went in real quick, you grabbed a few things.
Yes, I'm going camping.
Oh, heck yeah, we gotta go.
Red Top Mountain. That's why she's
I
panting.
love Red Top. So basically, obviously, you just got a few items. You weren't in there a super long time looking for stuff.
The window's down.
But basically, I'm just letting you know, people see a dog in a car and they automatically assume it's been there for, a long time. Obviously, the dog, he looks okay, he's breathing fine. Some people are just real passionate about their animals and they call it.
Yeah. She's good. You're good, girl.
Do you have, can I get your name, ma'am?
Yeah,
Just the document I talked to you.
Cicely. Sorry, Cicely.
Well, we got his license, that'd be even easier for me. I'm bad at spelling. I used to go to Red Top all the time.
Sorry, I need to drink some Gatorade.
It's okay, you drink, go ahead. I'll stand over here so I'm not in here. Is it? What's a good phone number for you?
One.
Whew. I mean, honestly, if I thought the dog was in danger, it's not doing so hot. This could have been friendly, but
Yeah.
it's obvious you only grabbed a few items. I understand that.
Yeah, I just grabbed Gatorade, ice, and that's it.
Just do me a favor, just be aware that when people see dogs in cars, they always freak out. They
Yeah.
always call us. We do this a lot. Unfortunately, I have seen people seriously neglect their dogs though, and they expire. Obviously, this guy's in pretty good shape.
Yeah.
Beautiful dog. All right, well, I'll leave you back to it.
All right, cool. Thank you. Bye, Doggy Deborah.